Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn something about corrosion and its control. First let us see what is meant by corrosion. It is defined as the gradual deterioration or degradation of metals by the chemical or electrochemical interaction with their environment. It is an oxidation process and it causes loss of metal. The responsible factors for the corrosion of a metal are nature of the metal and the nature of the environment. Example for corrosion is the formation of rust on the surface of iron, etc. These are some examples of corrosion. Then let us see in detail about the corrosion control methods. Corrosion can be controlled by the following two methods. One is sacrificial anodic protection method and another method is impressed current cathodic protection method. Let us see one by one. The first method is sacrificial anodic protection method. In this method, the metallic structure to be protected is made cathode by connecting it with a more active metal. We are just burying an active metal nearer to the metal to be protected, so that all the corrosion will concentrate only on the active metal side. The artificially made anode thus gets corroded gradually, protecting the original metallic structure. Hence, this process is known as sacrificial anodic protection method. This is the simple diagrammatic representation of sacrificial anodic protection method. Here, a more active metal is buried or connected to the metal to be protected. The more active metal will act as anode and undergo corrosion and protecting the original metallic structure. Example for sacrificial anodic protection method is the protection of ship. In ship, magnesium or zinc sheets are hung around the hull of the ship. Zinc or magnesium will act as anode. Then the corrosion concentrates only on zinc or magnesium because they are sacrificed in the process of saving iron. They are called as sacrificial anodes. See this ship. This is the bottom of the ship. Here, the sacrificial anodes are connected to the ship hull. So the corrosion concentrate only on those active metals and protecting the hull of the ship. Then coming to the advantage of this method, it is a simple method and it does not require external electric power. It has low maintenance and installation cost. Then coming to the disadvantages, more than one anode is required for sometimes. It does not work properly in high corrosive environment. The second method is impressed current cathodic protection method. In this method, an impressed current is applied in opposite direction of the current to nullify it. We are applying impressed current in opposite direction of the corrosion current to nullify it. The metal pipe behaves as cathode, then the corrosion rate is reduced. See this diagram. Here, the positive terminal is connected to the anode. Here, the anode is nothing but a graphite rod which is immersed in a backfill. Backfill is nothing but it's a mixture of coke, gypsum, and sodium sulfate. This is used to provide an excellent electrical contact with the soil. Then the negative terminal is connected to the metal to be protected. When we apply electric current through this positive and negative terminal, the current which we applied will cancel the corrosion current and protecting the original metallic structure. Then coming to the applications, this method is used for the protection of underground water and oil pipelines, transmission lines, marine lines, ships, etc. Advantages: this method is mainly employed to protect large structures for long term operations. Then, coming to the disadvantages, this method is very expensive as it requires high current and it requires high capital investment and maintenance cost. That's all about corrosion and its control. Thank you.